Today I'm going to give you a brief overview of exercise 5.1, and I promise you it's really easy. For your survey research projects and assignments, you will ultimately end up having to create your own data files. Now I have provided with you with all the video lecture links and some additional new videos to also help you learn how to use SPSS. But please, I beg you, please watch the video lectures, otherwise you'll be totally lost. Now I have added for you this PDF document, which I'm going through quite quickly for you. Because essentially, to give you an idea of the assignment is, you're going to use 4 sample survey questionnaires, and you're going to use SPSS to analyze the data of the 4 questionnaires. And you can read through all of this yourself. I don't want to read directly off the page for you today because I want you to look at this on your own. Now you have this information, these 4 questionnaires, in your book. And if, let's say, for example, you were administering a survey, a questionnaire, and you would have an ID number or case number, the person's age. If the person said that they were between the ages of 20 and 22, then they wrote the number 2. Person asked, what is the purpose of life on earth? Some people answered, some people didn't answer, some people did. I remember now, use the number 8 if use the number 8 if they didn't know or there was no response by the respondent. We'll just continue forward on that. And here's how to enter your data file, and I provided screenshots for you. These primarily are the screenshots for the Mac, the Apple version, but it looks very similar to this in Windows version of SPSS, and I've provided you some video help links, video tutorials on the Windows version of SPSS. So you want to enter your data file, and then you need to define your labels so you'll get the right labels on your output. And let's see, your syntax file. Now, some of you may or may not have a student version that has the syntax files, but you'll still need to let SPS software know which variables you want to run in order to get your crosstabs. In this case, you're running crosstabs your purpose by age, by ID. No, I mean, not by ID, purpose by age. Let's see. And this is what your crosstab output would look like. Now, this is oops, sorry. Let me go back, going a little too fast here. This is very important. Please understand, include your frequencies. These are your percentages, these are your percentages. These are your percentages, okay? The number on top is just the actual number of people who responded to that question in that way. And the bottom number is the percentage. You must show me the percentages. Okay. This is what your APA style cover page should look like. Make sure you include it on all your documents that you submit. Don't forget to run your frequencies. Now, of course, if you're using the Windows version of SPSS, your frequencies are going to look a little bit different, which is okay, as long as they're running correctly and have the right information. And your syntax file, if you have a version of SPSS that allows you to see the syntax file, then make sure you submit that as well. And let's see. And your data file. Be sure to submit your data file so I can see actually what you entered in order to get the output that you did get. Okay, and that's what your completed crosstab should look like if you've entered the data correctly. And that's all there is. That is the update for you for exercise 5. Make sure if you have questions that you ask in advance, because asking after you've submitted doesn't allow me to help you as effectively as I could. So thanks for watching and have a great day.